Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have an Oppo Reno 5G that is in need of a screen replacement, and David is getting right into it. So let's go. So right off the bat, we're gonna remove the back cover on this Oppo Reno 5G, and slowly but surely we're gonna do this one to avoid further damage to other components inside the smartphone. And as you can see, the internals are closely resembling the OnePlus Nord that we repaired last time, and we're gonna remove not the motherboard shroud but this daughterboard cover or shroud where we can find the connector for the display. So first off, we're going to remove the connectors that we can see on top of the board, and we're gonna remove the antenna cables and the SIM card tray and this board right here, and on the right corner is the connector for the display. So we're gonna reattach this one, and let's test this replacement display, see if it works. So this is a good way to find out if the smartphone is really just in need of a screen replacement and reducing our time by not disassembling the device needlessly. So right here we can see that it's working. You can also see the selfie camera popping up because the Oppo Reno 5G has this pop-up selfie camera, which is kind of cool. But we're not gonna open the motherboard where the camera sits. We're just gonna take off the old cracked display, and it's really that easy because the adhesives are not that thick and not that strong. We're gonna remove the old adhesives on the sides, and this is gonna be done to allow the replacement display to sit in right through the chassis. As you can see, we're gonna clean this up real nicely and then apply our own new adhesive. So this is not your stock adhesive, but it will do the job by holding on to the display as we install it right here. We're just gonna press it onto the chassis, and now we're gonna fully reassemble the whole thing. As you can see, the connector is going through the chassis and then looping it back through this connector. We're gonna just press it in, and that's gonna be the fix right there. So we're gonna reverse our steps a while ago, and we're almost done. So if you have an Oppo Reno 5G with a broken display, just head on to Sydney CBD Repair Center. We're gonna source the parts for you, and as you can see here, the parts that we install are kind of brand new, and we're not just storing these parts, so there are limited parts that we have in stock. So if you can message us first or get a free quote from us, that would be great. We're gonna reattach the back cover and then test the camera, the sensors, the camera, and the buttons and the screen, of course, and it's gonna be good to go. And you can see the pop-up selfie camera right there. So thanks for joining, guys. This has been a good repair. Till next time, cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.